All right, I want to shoot something here. Thought that just came to me just while I'm waiting for my coffee here to finish up. Three things you need to run a successful, heart-centered business. First one is purpose. Second one is passion. And the third one is patience. That's the hardest one probably. But here's the deal. I don't know if you've heard this before, but if you ever had the question or read a book or something and they ask you, what's the reason you have a business, right? What's the single reason you have a business? I've read this in many, many books before, and it's not that I disagree with it, but there's an addition to this. Okay, so the number one reason a business exists is to create customers, right? Like to make sales and have customers. It's not that I disagree with that, but how that happens is where I want to give you some insight, at least from my perspective, from a heart-centered view. It is true, like your business exists to have customers. You can't have a business without customers, right? Without clients. But how do you get those clients? And how are you going about doing that? And what is it all about? That's where the purpose comes in. So what I challenge you to ask yourself, what is the purpose of your business? What is the purpose? And if the answer comes up with, well, to make money, wrong answer. Yes, you have to have a healthy business. You have to make money to survive in the business. But what is the purpose beyond the money? Secondly, if you understand what the purpose is of the business, mine for one is to help entrepreneurs to stop sacrificing their life for their business, because that's what happens. Number two, if you don't have a passion for the individual person, the dream client, that relates back to the purpose, you're going to find every single excuse of why the thing ain't working, of that it's taking too long, whatever it is, switching from one thing to another. And then finally, that's where the patience come in, right? Because if you have a purpose to change the world in a way that is meaningful to you, to your soul, beyond money, nothing to do with money, right? For the people, the passion for the people, or that person, that dream client, the person who you would spend the rest of your life with on a deserted island because they're not paying you, because they're awesome humans, and that patient comes in. And that's where the dedication comes in. Like if you really, that circle of those three pillars, if you want to call them that, are continuously related. And that's why I believe those are the three things that you need to have a successful heart-centered business. Let me know what you think below. I'd love to know your comments, because this allows me to just keep randomly making these videos of thoughts and ideas, or something that inspires me when I see it on the internet. So let me know what your thoughts are below, or maybe even better, let me know what really jumped out at you for this conversation. Talk to you soon.